Hello, my love. Welcome back to your mat. If this is your first time here, you are so welcome. And if you are returning, I am so proud of your consistency. Today, we build something powerful, not just flexible hips, but strong, supported hips. Because flexibility without strength feels unstoppable, and strength without softness feels tight. So today we become both soft and strong. Let's begin in a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Place your hands gently on your thighs. Take a slow inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Feel your hips heavy. Feel your spine tall. We awaken gently first. Sit cross-legged. Place hands behind you for support. Lift your right knee slightly and begin drawing slow circles with it. Move from the hip joint, not the foot. Slow and controlled. This lubricates the hip capsule, preparing it for deeper work. Bring your legs into a 90-90 position. Front leg bent at 90 degrees. Back leg bent at 90 degrees. Sit tall. Now, gently rotate both knees to the opposite side without using your hands if possible. Control the movement. This builds internal and external hip rotation strength. If needed, lightly support with fingertips. Keep chest lifted. Come on to all fours. Wrist under shoulders, knees under hips. Engage your core slightly. Lift your right knee out to the side, keeping it bent at 90 degrees. Lift only as high as your hips stay level. Pause at the top for 2 seconds. Lower slowly. Switch sides. This strengthens your glutes medius, the muscles that stabilize your hips while walking and standing. Strong hips prevent lower back pain. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Back knee on the mat. Hands on hips. Tuck your pelvis slightly. Now gently shift your hips forward and slightly back. Small pulses. You should feel the stretch in your left hip flexor. Pause for 8 to 10 slow reps. Then hold the stretch for 5 deep breaths. Lift chest tall. Switch sides. Lie on your back. Feet hip width apart. Heels close to glutes. Press into your heels. Lift your hips slowly. Squeeze your glutes at the top for 3 seconds. Lower halfway. Lift again. Slow and controlled. Feel the back of your hips activating. This builds hip extension strength. Bring soles of feet together. Let knees fall open. Hold your ankles. Inhale. Lengthen spine tall. Exhale. Gently fold forward. Let gravity soften your inner thighs. Imagine your hips melting open. Lie back. Cross right ankle over left thigh. Thread hands behind left leg. Gently pull toward chest. Keep shoulders relaxed. Switch sides. Release fully onto your back. Arms relax by your sides. Feel your hips grounded, stable, and supported. Take one last deep inhale and a long exhale. Thank you for building strength with me today. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you all another time. Have a great day.